my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty easy makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Oriflame Pure Skin Mattifying Face Lotion to prime my face. I'm using this Revlon Colorstay foundation in the shade Caramel 400 for my face. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Warm Sun to highlight my face, to conceal and highlight my face. I'm using this Tara Makeup Powder Palette. I'm using this shade right here to set my highlights. This benign banana powder to bake my highlights. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade Earth 5 to contour my cheek. I'm using this Anastasia Brow Pomade in shade Dark Brown for my brows. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow called Swish Chocolate for my crease first. Next, I'm using this Mary Kay eyeshadow called Truffle for my lid. Next, I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Smudge Proof Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm using this Classic Makeup Voluminous Mascara for my eyes. I'm using this white eyeliner from Tara Makeup for my waterline. I'm using the first eyeshadow I use for my crease. MAC from MAC Cosmetics called Sweet Chocolate for my lower lash line. And I'm using the second eyeshadow I use for my lid from Mary Kay Cosmetics. It's called Truffle. I'm using it for my lower lash line too. Using this Zekel Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust Highlighter in the shade Moonlight for to highlight my face. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup, and I'm using this shade right here for my shake. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Sealed Makeup Fixing Spray to set my makeup. I'm using this Miss Rose Makeup lipstick. The name has spelled off, I don't know the name again. To line my lips first.